here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. A little more. Nice. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. You're done now. Yes, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a farm. Well, technically he's an orangutan, you see. Sure, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. Oh, sorry. Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is the question of my favorites.
Paul! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming! She's on a roll!
Hey, what are you guys trying to
Paul! Listen up, my aunt! Hold still!
Back off! Okay, Dad, no one's surprised.
Yummers! No one makes a fool of Jimmy, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I'm the marine defensive machine. I am the Terminator. Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions.
Ai, cara, tá molhando muito.
I need more ammo.
Não acredito.
I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right out there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Arby's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let him rip,
Ah, que é o pulo.
You'll never catch me!
Flick, the target's moving! She's gonna blow!
Puta, que cheiro.
Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornet, arm your stingers and attack! You are over your target, Black Widow Spider! Go! Back off, spiders! There am I. The bombs, zappers, sticky little hotels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should. We make your world any other place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators! If you like vegetables, vegetable flowers, if it's like
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
All bugs with white dogs, got face on the planet. There soon be no humans around here to manage. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Get it come to me alive.
It's a piece of cake.
Holy!
Look at all that heat.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
Here?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots,